Hi there, my name is Gabriel, and in this course, you're going to learn how to create your first app using ARKit. This app is the AR solar system. As you can see, we currently have 8 planets which are orbiting around the Sun. And if you look ever so closely, you'll see that the planets themselves are also rotating. Look at Saturn and its massive rings. Look at Neptune. Now let's find the Earth and its very small moon. Oh wow. This is pretty cool, right? And this is what we create. And so if you're ready to dive in and create this app, what are you waiting for? Enroll in this course today.